Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about journaling for inner peace. So what exactly is inner peace? It is having a feeling on the inside that everything is okay. It's being resilient to whatever happens. So whatever is happening on the outside, you can find that inner peace. You can go within and feel okay. And that might seem like an impossible thing sometimes, especially if you're dealing with any type of mental health issues like depression or anxiety. And so that is why I made this journal. So I'm going to show you what's all in here and go through some of the journal prompts. Because like I've said before, journal prompts are so therapeutic. They guide you through working through your problems. And they kind of serve as a best friend, as a coach. So that's what I say a lot about journaling, is that it's very therapeutic, and it can be one of the lifesavers that might be the only thing that you have sometimes. So this journal is actually way more than just journal prompts. It actually gives some information here. Like there's 4 truths about inner peace. It starts with you. Like, you can only control yourself. You can make different choices. You can embrace a neutral mindset, and your peace is your choice. So let's see what some of these journal prompts are here. If you can't read these, I'll read them out loud. Do you believe that you are in control of choosing inner peace? Why or why not? Where do you need to make different choices in your life? What situation do you need to embrace a neutral mindset in? How do you feel about the statement, you are the only one who can deprive you of peace? Do you agree or disagree with it? And so after every group or every page of information, there's going to be journal prompts that go with that. So is it chaos or a toxic environment? So sometimes we can mistake a toxic environment for a chaotic one. And, there's journal prompts that go with that as well. Practice self-soothing activities during chaos, like creating art, journaling. Of course, journaling is on there. Reading and listening to music, and self-care. And journaling and self-care are synonymous. Journaling is self-care. I mean, self-care encompasses many, many things, of course. But I think journaling is probably the number one self-care thing there is out there. So then there's journal prompts for that as well. Embracing community to get through hard times. So there's some things on here to help you with that. This is more than just a journal. This is like a therapy. Like, going through this is like, therapy. 6 mantras to achieve more inner peace. More journal prompts. The new peaceful you. And this is a page where you can write about what it feels like to have inner peace. Even if you don't fully feel this 100% in your heart at this time, you can conjure up the feelings that will help you to manifest inner peace. So that's it. There's 12 pages. And I really hope that this will help somebody out there, because there's so many people out there that are struggling with a lack of inner peace. And another thing I wanted to say is, along with journaling and self-care, I think meditation also comes into play here, where these 3 things really go together. If you're struggling in any way with mental health, keeping a daily journal, of course, is one of the best things you can do. Self-care of all kinds. I've got some videos about self-care, I think. I know I have a lot of journals about self-care, so there's definitely resources out there for you if you are struggling. If you are into journaling and want to use journaling to help your mental health. So thank you so much for watching, and if you know anybody that is struggling with inner peace or depression or anxiety, send this video their way, or maybe buy this journal for them and give it to them as a gift. These make great gifts because people aren't expecting printable things like this, so it's kind of a nice thing to buy for someone and print it off, hole punch it, stick it in a binder, and say, here you go, here's some therapy to write on, or therapy pages to write on. So be sure that you're subscribed if you enjoyed this video, because I make a lot of videos. Of course, my videos are about journaling, but I also talk a lot about mental health because journaling is so important for mental health. Thank you so much for watching.